Now this is the question number 8 of exercise 13.1. So now the question number 8 is, Praveen wanted to make a temporary shelter for her car by making a box-like structure with tarpaulin that covers all the four sides and the top of the car, with the front face as a flap which can be rolled up. Assuming that the stitching margin are very small and therefore negligible, how much tarpaulin would be required to make the shelter of height 2.5 meter with the base dimension 4 meter and 3 meter? So this is the simple, as Praveen want to make a box, Praveen want to make a shelter, temporary shelter for the car, and as you know that the bottom part is not covered. by car के bottom part पे तो आप shelter नहीं बनाते हो, all the four sides and the top is covered. So we have to use the formula length breadth plus twice in bracket breadth height plus height length, because the bottom part is not included. That's why we use this formula. So for calculating the total surface area of the shelter, we have to use the formula length breadth plus twice breadth height plus height length. All the values is given in the question. Just we put the values and let us solve the question. Here in the question number 8, you have to find the total surface area for sheltering the car. Okay, so the length is 4 meter, breadth 3 meter and the height 2.5 meter. As we know that there is no bottom part for the car cover, for the shelter for the car. भाई आप bottom में तो कार का cover नहीं रखेंगे ना. The car cover or the shelter for the car is for the four side and for the top, not for the bottom. That's why we take here total surface area as length breadth plus twice breadth height plus height length. One length breadth is of bottom, that we do not include over here. So here the total surface area of sheltering the car is length breadth plus twice in bracket breadth height plus height length. So let us put the value. So we have here 4 into 3, this is your 4 into 3 plus twice 3 into 2.5 plus 2.5 into 4. Simple, we have to calculate. 12 plus twice 7.5 plus 10, so it is 12 plus 2 into, so this is your 17.5, that is 12 plus when we add 12 and 35, we will have, this is 47 meter square. So 47 meter square of tarpaulin will be required. So this is your answer. Hence 47 meter square of tarpaulin will be required.